वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषये भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमोद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। स्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधेतमस्तमाविद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ नमो भगवते वैवस्वताय वे ब्रह्मविद्याचार्याय नचिकेतसे च। द्वितीय अध्याय द्वितीयावली फर्स्ट मंत्र। पुरम् एकादशद्वारम्
पुरम् एकादशद्वारम्
यस्यावक्रचेतसः
अजस्यावक्रचेतसः
अनुष्ठाय न शोचति
अनुष्ठाय न शोचति
विमुक्तश्च विमुच्यते
विमुक्तश्च विमुच्यते।
एतद्वैतत् अहं सच्छुचिषत्
अहं सशुचिचत्
वसुरन्तरिक्षसत्
वसुरन्तरिक्षत्
आवेदिषत्
योद्धावेदिषत्
अतिथिर्दुरोणसत्
तिथिर्दुरोणसत्
ऋषद्वरसदृशत्
दृषद्वरसदृशत्
दृषद्वरसत्
दृषद्वरसत्
तसत्
ऋतसत्
Abja Goja.
Abja Goja. Vyoma Sat.
Sorry, Vyomasat.
Vyoma Sat.
Vyomasat.
Abja Goja.
Abja
Abja
Goja.
Goja.
There is some noise. Ritaja.
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 Adrija.
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 Ritam Brihat.
Ritam Brihat.
Brihat.
Urdhvam Pranam Unnayati.
Urdhvam Pranam
Urdhvam Pranam
Unnayati.
Unnayati.
Apanam Pratyagastyati.
Apanam
Apanam
Pratyagasyati.
Pratyagasyati.
Eva Manamasinam.
Madhye
Madhye
Vamanamasinam.
Vamanam Asinam.
Vishve Deva Upasate.
Vishve Deva
Vishve Deva
Upasate.
Upasate.
We have seen this mantra. Bhashya Sagitam, we have seen the last class. This mantra, through this mantra, the Shruti presents the Shruti helps us to appreciate the existence, the presence of Atma, the nature of Atma, with the linga, with the indicators. With the indicators. What are those indicators? The indicators are the vyapara, the transactions which happen in this body mind sense complex in the presence of Atma. In the presence of Atma there is vyapara happening in this body mind sense complex. The vyapara is happening in the body mind sense complex. It is not by the body mind sense complex, not only by the body mind sense complex. It is body mind sense complex alone not sufficient for the vyapara to take place. Because this body which is achetana, the prana which is also achetana, they are nothing but the karya of pancha mahabhuta, pancha bhautika. They are all bhautikam. Body is bhautikam, therefore it is jadam. Mind is also bhautikam, that is also jadam. Indriyani is also or bhautikam. They are all product. They are all karya. Karyatvat jadaha. Bhautikatvat jadaha. Therefore, this jada sharira mana sangata, indriya sangata, this cannot be alone responsible for the vyapara, the transaction, the activities happening in this body mind sense complex. There must be a thing other than this body mind sense complex, in the presence of which all these vyapara takes place. That's what we say the life is. The life is not only because of this jada samuha, jada sangata. This is jada sangata, jada bhautika sangata. Atma blesses the body with the life The life, and therefore the life which involves the vyapara, the life is for the life. What is the indicator? The vyapara, the transaction, the movement of prana inside and outside, the functioning of the indriyas, the movement of the body. So, therefore, there must be a thing other than this, for whose purpose, for whose sake, this assemblage is created. It is like a house is built. A house is built not for the sake of the house. A house is nothing. It is an assembly. A door is not a house. A wall is not a house. The window is not a house. But everything put together becomes a house. So the house is not for the door. The house is not for the walls. The house is not for the window. So therefore, the house, it is a ayatanam for other than the parts of the house. Similarly here also, by whose blessings alone this vyapara is possible in this jara sangata, jara samukha. This jara samukha gets sentiency in the presence of whom? In the presence of whom alone the vyapara takes place in this jada samukha, jada sangata. That must be other than this. So the vyapara, the activities becomes a linga. It becomes a linga for the appreciation of Atma, which is Chetanam. So Atmanaha Swarupa Adhigame Lingam Uchyate iti Vashikara gave the Sangati. So therefore, here a logic, a yukti is presented by the Upanishad. The yukti meaning the reason. The reason is not a nischayatmika yukti. Yukti is not a determining logic. You cannot prove the existence of Atma, the nature of Atma in contrast with the nature of this Shariramana Sangata by determining logic. Not possible. So therefore it is not Nischayatmika Yukti, but then what Yukti? It is Sambhavana Yukti. It is Sambhavana Yukti. Sambhavana Yukti means there is a sense of possibility. Sense of possibility of that in the presence of which these actions take place. The action, the vyapara takes place when Atma is there. The vyapara, the activities do not take place when Atma is not there. Therefore, there is the logic is that yat sattve, yat sattvam, yat abhave, yat abhavaha. Therefore, tayoha madhye, this karana karya bhavaha is there. So therefore, when Atma is, the body is sentient, and therefore the vyaparas are. When Atma is not, the body becomes insentient, and therefore no vyaparas. This is a yukti, this is a simple logic. By this logic, you cannot establish Atma, but this logic gives a sense of possibility to appreciate that there must be Atma, which is different from this body, mind, sense complex. Therefore, this is not a proving logic revealing the Swarupam of Atma. This is a Sambhavana Yukti. This is a Sambhavana Yukti. Sambhavana Yukti to appreciate the existence of Atma. Nayayikas, they argue that itself is a yukti. By yukti we can prove Atma, but that is not possible. For Nayayikas, for them Prakriti, Purusha, two things are there. So that becomes a parallel reality. That is a problem. We don't accept that. So by logic, by Anumana alone, you cannot establish the existence of Atma. Not possible. When you say Anumana requires a linga. An indicator is required. Like the mountain. The mountain has fire. The mountain has fire. How do you say the fire is? Because you don't see the fire. You see only the linga. What is the linga? The smoke. Dhumaha. Therefore you say Parvataha Vanniman. Why? Dhumavatvad. Because there is a smoke. Smoke is the indicator. Therefore you infer fire. But that alone is not. But that indicator, the smoke alone is not. The smoke alone doesn't become the cause for determining the presence of fire. Why? Because you see the smoke. By seeing the smoke, can you say that for mountain has fire? You cannot. Since you have a prior experience, since you have seen the fire and the smoke together, you must have seen before, somewhere else. You would have seen in the kitchen where the fire and the smoke, they exist together. Exist together means fire is there, therefore smoke is there. You have seen. The prior anubhava is there. So for Anumana, the prior anubhava implies pratyaksha. Pratyaksha is there. Therefore only now you see the connection. Prior knowledge is there. The prior knowledge involves that perception, that pratyaksham is there. Therefore you see the connection and now you infer Parvataha Vanniman iti. But that type of the conclusion, that type of understanding you cannot apply here in the case of Atma. Because you have not perceived Atma. Atma is not available for the perception. So how are you going to apply the Anumana, the logic here? That doesn't work. Because you have not seen Atma. Atma is adrishyam. How can it be seen? It is drik. Therefore, the Atma and therefore the transactions which you have not seen, Atma is not seen, not available for your perception. It is not available for your perception of your eyes. So, therefore, by seeing the activities of the body, how can you establish that Atma is there, like the Parvataha Vanniman, by applying the Anumana? Not possible. So therefore, by independent logic, we cannot establish the existence of Atma, the Swarupam of Atma. Mere logic will not establish. So logic has got the prior requirement, the prior requisite that it must be preceded by a anubhava, a perception. That is not possible in the case of Atma. And Shruti gives the logic, that is, the logic is only a sambhavana yukti. Without the Shruti, logic alone will not help in understanding, appreciating the existence of Atma. Shruti being a pramanam, swatah pramanam, that alone can establish the presence of Atma, but that is Shruti sammata tarka, Shruti sammata logic. So that is what here the Upanishad, the mantra, the presence. So, therefore, here this mantra presented the Atma by Anvaya logic. Anvaya Vyatireka logic. This is Anvaya logic. Anvaya is invariable concomitance. That is called Anvaya. When Atma is, the transactions happen in the body. So that is Anvaya. When Atma is not, there is no transaction, that is Vyatireka. So the third mantra through Anvaya presents the existence of Atma, the Swarupam of Atma by Anvaya. So therefore, the mantra says that Urdhvam pranam unnayati, apanam pratyakasyati. Prana here it is Vayuhu. What Vayuhu? Prana meaning Vayuhu. This Vayuhu is Urdhvam. Urdhvam means Hridaya. Hridayat uparideshe unnayati. That is that Vayu. That Vayu is Pranaha. That is exhalation is Prana. And Pratyak Hridaya Adodeshe unnayati asyati Prakshipati, that is Apana. Inhalation is called Apana. So Prana, Apana. This Prana, Apana happen, or this Prana, Apana are blessed by the Atma. Therefore, this function, this Prana, Vyapara, happen in the body. Madhye Vamanam Asinam Vishve Devaha Upasate. Madhye Shariravarti, Sharirantarvarti, Hridaya Akashe Asinam. This Atma, which is in the Hridaya Akasha of this Shariram, Asinam, it is being seated there. It is Vamanam. Vamanam is Sambhajaniyam. Bhashakara said Sambhajaniyam, deserve to be worshipped. And all the Vishvedevaha means this Vamanam, this Sambhajaniyam, Atmanam, Sarve Devaha, that is Chakshurindriyani, Chakshuradi Indriyani, Upasate, Sevante. All the Indriyas, they function. They function for whom? They function for this Atma. Like what? Like Rajanam. Like Vishakaiva Rajanam. Like the servant of the king. For whose sake are the servants are there? The servants are for the sake of the king, for serving the king. Similarly, all the Indriyas, they upasate, they worship. Worship means worship in the presence of, offering the sense objects, offering the sense objects for recognition to Atma. And this Atma is Vamanam Sambhajaniyam iti. Worship, that is, deserves worship, because it blesses the Achetana with Chetanatvam. This Chetanatvam of Sharira Mana Sangata is borrowed Chetanatvam. It is not intrinsic to this Shariram. Therefore, Atma is Sambhajaniyam. Not Shariram, not Sharira Mana Sangata. Atma is Sambhajaniyam because it blesses this Sharira Mana Sangata with sentiency, with Chetanatvam. And the Chetanatvam is not intrinsic to Sharira Mana Sangata. It belongs to the Atma. So therefore, they all worship. They all offer the sense objects as Naivedyam to this Atma. Iti, the mantra says, and we have read the Bhashyam. Bhashyakara, finally he concluded, Yadartaha yat prayuktaha cha sarve vayukarana vyaparaha saha anyaha siddhaha iti vakyartaha. Yadartaha yat prayuktascha sarve vayukarana vyaparaha bhavanti, propelled by what? Prayuktaha, or for the purpose of whom all this vayu, prana, pana, the vayu, karana, this indriya, karmendriya, jnanendriya, all the vyapara, the transaction for whose purpose takes place, that must be saha anyaha iti siddhaha. That must be different from this assemblage. That must be different from this shariradi assembly. Iti siddhaha. Iti siddhaha iti vakyarthaha. That is the meaning of the vakyam. This is the essence of this mantra. Now, by Vitireka logic, the essence of Atma will be appreciated by the Upanishad, which we will read. Kincha
Kincha
Cha
asya visram samanasya
asya
Asya
Vistram
vistram
Samanasya
samanasya
sharirastasya dehinah
sharirastasya dehinah
dehat vimuchyamanasya
dehat
dehat
vimuchyamanasya
kimatra parishishyate
kimatra
kimatra
parishishyate
parishishyate
etad vaitat.
etat
etat
vaitat.
So here the Vitireka logic is given. That is, Vitireka logic is in the presence of Atma alone, this body mind sense complex function, the Vyapara takes place. Minus Atma, no Vyapara, no life in the body. This is the Vitireka logic. No Atma, and therefore no body mind sense complex function. So therefore, what is responsible for the functioning of this body? Atma. That is the logic, Vitireka logic. Anvaya Vitireka. So, this mantra says, Asya Visramsa Visram Samanasya Asya Visram Samanasya Sharirastasya Dehinaha. Asya referring to Atmanaha. Asya is Atmanaha. Visram Samanasya. Visram Samana is Shanach. Sramsu dhatu with V upasarga. Sramsu dhatu with V upasarga. Visram Samanasya. Visram Samanasya means that it is detached, it is loosened. Asya Atmanaha Visram Samanasya Sharirastasya Dehinaha. This Atma, when it departs from the body, when it is dehat vimuchyamanasya, when it is released from the body, this Atma, when it is released from the body, when it is visramsa, when it is detached, when the Atma is detached and when it is released from the body, kimatra parishishyate, what remains in this body? What remains? Nothing remains. Etat vaitat. So nothing remains means it becomes jada. It was jada and it continues to be jada. Before that, before the body came into existence, it was in the form of the Panchabhuta or Panchabhautika. It is jadam only. Now again it has become a jadam. So in between, this Atma was blessed by the Atma. Now, Kim parishishyate atra asmin sharire? Nothing. Atma not there. Etat vaitat, that is the meaning. Dehinaha. So here we need to understand certain things. Atma is not there. Kim atra parishishyate? Atma not there when we say. What does it mean? Atma is sarva vyapi. It is sarvagataha, sarva vyapi. Atma is everywhere. That which is everywhere, how can it leave the body? It leaves the body means Atma must travel to go somewhere. Must travel to go somewhere. But where can Atma go? Because Atma is everywhere. If Atma also has to travel, then it cannot be Atma. So, therefore, the word Atma is used in two senses. One is in the sense that Atma with this Sharira Upadhi. That is number one. Then Atma as such. That is number two. Atma with the Sharira Upadhi, that is Chidabhasa. That is Chidabhasa. The reflection of Chit, the consciousness, the Atma in the Shariram is Chidabhasa. That Chidabhasa is Sukshma Shariram. Sukshma Shariram only. In the presence of Sukshma Shariram only, this Shariram is, the life is, because Sukshma Shariram as the Antakranam, the mind, where the reflection of Atma which is all pervading, takes place in the Sukshma Shariram. Therefore, when we say a person is dead, person is dead means what? Death is nothing but the departure of Sukshma Shariram from the body. Sukshma Shariram in which the reflection of this Chaitanyam takes place, this Chidabhasa. Therefore, when we say Atma left the body, it means Sukshma Shariram has left the body, the Chidabhasa has left. But Atma is everywhere. Atma is Brahma and it is Chit. Chit is Sat, it is everywhere, even in the body also it is. But Chidabhasa, the Sukshma Shariram being not there, therefore it is not recognized. So, Atma which is manifesting as Chidabhasa in this body, and the nature of Atma is Chit, that is Brahma, that is what Nachiketa asked for. Chidabhasa, when we say Chidabhasa is Chit, Chit is not Chidabhasa. Chidabhasa, the reflection of Atma which takes place in the body in the presence of Sukshma Shariram, that Sukshma Shariram being not there, therefore Chidabhasa not there. Therefore we say the life has left the body. It is like removing the reflecting medium, the mirror. Therefore the room is dark. You bring back the mirror, the room is again lighted up. So, therefore, Atma cannot leave. What leaves is only the Sukshma Sharira. So, when we read the word here, Dehinaha is Degaha Asya Astiti, Degin Akaranta Dehinaha, the Atma which is obtaining in the body, Asya Atmanaha, Visram Samanasya, when it is detached. How can Atma detach? It means it's Chidabhasa. Dehat Vimuchyamanasya, when it is released from the body. What is released from the body? Visram Samanasya, it means detached from the body. Vimuchyamanasya, released from the body. Upanishad itself gives the meaning of the word Visram Samanasya. Visram Samanasya is equal to Vimuchyamanasya. So, Vimuchyamanasya, when it is released from the body, Kim atra parishishyate, what remains in this body? it means what will sustain the body. That which sustains the body, it has left the body. The Chidabhasa has left the body. Therefore, what remains here? Nothing. Only the Achetana Shariram alone is left. Chetan Shariram, the Shariram was Achetanam. It continues to be Achetanam only. That which gave Chaitanatvam, it has left. The Chidabhasa, the Sukshma Shariram, has left. The Sukshma Shariram, the Atma is Atma manifest. That Sukshma Shariram, which is responsible for the manifestation of the Chaitanyam in the body, that it has left. Therefore, we say it is dead body, no more life. So, Sukshma Shariram also Jada. That also we need to understand. When we say that the presence of Sukshma Shariram, the life is Sukshma Shariram not there, therefore life not. Yes, but Sukshma Shariram also is Jadam. It is because of Atma. Minus Atma, that is not. Sukshma Shariram is nothing but the medium which can reflect the Chaitanya. When the Sukshma Shariram leaves this Shariram, this body, Atma continues to bless the Sukshma Shariram, and when it takes another Stula Shariram, again the life comes back to the body. Therefore, it is clear the Atma continues to be. The Chidabhasa, this Sukshma Shariram alone travels. And the Sukshma Shariram also being a Shariram, it is also put together. It is also an assembly. So that also cannot be Atma. That to be noted. Therefore, the Sukshma Shariram leaving the body, assuming another body, that is what we call life. And the Sukshma Shariram, all the way it is blessed by this Atma. And the Stula Shariram, which is Achetana, continues to be Achetana. Therefore, we say Atma leaves the body. Therefore, we say Atma leaves the body, assumes another body, iti. When the Prarabdha is over, Atma leaves the body. This Atma the word we use very loosely. So that means we need to understand it is the Sukshma Sharira Upadi. Upadi, not there. The reflecting medium, not there. That is what the death is. So when the Prarabdha Kshaya happens, then the Sukshma Shariram leaves the body. Vasansi Jirnani Yatha Vighaya Navane Grannati Naroparani. Gita also, Bhagavan Krishna says. So, therefore, when you say Atma leaves the body, it means the Sukshma Shariram leaves the body. So, in that context, we have to take, we say Atma leaves the body, there the Atma is Sukshma Shariram. When we say Satchit Ananda Atma, there it is, that Atma is Satchit Ananda Atma. Chit, Chidabhasa. So, that we need to understand. So, here, Visram Samanasya, when we say this Sukshma Shariram, where Chidabhasa, the reflection of the Chaitanyam is, it has left the body. That becomes a linga. That becomes a linga through the existence of Atma. So now we will read the Bhashyam. Asya sharirastasya
Asya sharirastasya
Sharirastasya
Atmanaha
Atmanaha
Visram Samanasya
Vistram
Visram
samanasya
Samanasya
Avastram Samanasya.
Avastram
Avastramanasya
Samanasya.
It is strum is there. It is not strum. It's a mistake. It's a typo here. It is strum. So don't read this strum, not vistram. It is vistram. Sakara, repa, then akara. Here it is a typo. Vistram is not Vistram. Vistram Sudhatu. Okay. Bramshamanasya
भ्रंशमानस्य
Dehinah Dehavataha
देहिनः
देहिनः
देहवतः
देहवतः
Visramsana Shabdartam Aha
विस्रंसन
शब्दार्थम्
शब्दार्थम्
आह
आह
Dehat Vimuchyamanasya iti.
देहात्
विमुच्यमानस्य
विमुच्यमानस्य
इति
So Asya is Shashti Vibhakti. Asya referring to this Atma, Atmanaha, Sharirastasya, that which is Sharire Tishtati, iti Sharirastaha. That is Sharirastasya Atmanaha. Visramsamanasya is equal to Avasramsamanasya, which is equal to Brahmshamanasya. It means getting detached, getting loosened. That is the meaning. Loosened from the body. What is loosened in the body? This Atma. What Atma? Here it is. Atma is Sukshma Shariram. You have to take it as Sukshma Shariram. This Chidabhasa. Deginaha is equal to Dehavataha. Degaha asya asti iti Dehavataha. That which is a Deha, Vatu Pratyaya. Dehavataha. The one who has a body. The one who has a body, this Sukshma Shariram, which enjoy the body, which has a body, Deha Vimuchyamanasya, which is getting released from the body. Visramsa Shabdartham Aha. The meaning of the Visramsanam is given by which is loosen. Loosening is the meaning of the word Visramsa. That is given by the Shruti itself. Dehat Vimuchyamanasya iti Aha. Upanishad itself gives Visramsana Shabdartham Aha. The meaning of the Visramsana Shabda Aga Dehat Vimuchyamanasya iti. Dehat Vimuchyamanasya, getting released from the body. That is the meaning of the word Visramsa Manasya Dehinaha. That is this Atma. Here it is this Sukshma Shariram body. So it has left the body. Then what remains then? That is being said. Bhashyakara says, Kimatra parishishyate.
किमत्र परिशिष्यते
किमत्र परिशिष्यते
Pranadi kalape.
प्राणादिकलापे
फलाभे
Na kinchana, not kimchana, that's a typo. Na kinchana
न
न
किञ्चन
किञ्चन
parishishyate.
परिशिष्यते
परिशिष्यते
So, kim atra parishishyate. What remains there? It's not a question. It is not a question demanding answer. Aksheparte kim. What remains here? Means nothing remains. Pranadi kalape. Pranadi kalape kim atra. Pranadi kalape na kinchana parishishyate. Pranadi kalape. In this, pranadi kalapa. Kalapa is group, aggregate. So, when the Atma is released from the body, kimatra parishishyate. That is, the pranadi kalapa. Among these group of this prana, etc. Pranadi means prana, apana, and the indriyas, body. Pranadi kalape, kalapa. Pranadi kalape, whatever may be. So, whatsoever, remains the body. This pranadi kalape, nothing remains. Nakinchana parishishyate. In this pranadi kalapa, Na kinchana parishishyate, nothing remains. It means what remains in this group of prana, etc. Nothing. Nothing remains. Kopi na parishishyate ityartaha. So when Atma is not there, then this assemblage is for whom? It is not there. It is for whom? It is for nobody, because the person has left. The person from whom this assembly is has left. So what remains in this pranadi kalapa? Nothing. This pranadi kalapa is the aggregate, the group. Pranadi means prana, apana, and this indriyas, the shariram. What remains in this? Nothing. Nothing remains. Then Bhashyakara further explains. Atra dehe
Atra dehe
अत्र देहे
Puraswaminaha. It must be Puraswaminaha. Puraswaminaha.
पुरस्वामिनः
Or it could be a samasa also. Puraswami Vidravane.
Puraswami
स्वामि
Vidravane.
विद्रवणे
You can take it as Puraswami Vidravana or Puraswaminaha Vidravanaha. Vidravane. Vidravane. Iva
Iva
Puravasinam.
Puravasinam
सीनाम्
Yasya Atmanaha Apagame.
Yasya
आत्मनः
Atmanaha
अपगमे
Apagame
Kshanamatraat
क्षणमात्रात्
Karya Karana Kalaparupam.
कार्यकरणकलापरूपम्
Sarvam idam, not mitam. This also mistake. Sarvam idam
Sarvam
इदम्
hatabalam
Hatabalam
हतबलम्
vidvastam bhavati
Vidvastam
भवति
vinashtam bhavati
Vinashtam Bhavati.
भवति
saha anyaha siddhaha.
Saha
अन्यः
Anyaha Siddhaha.
सिद्धः
So when Atma departs from the body, Atma departs from the body means we know what Atma is. That is the factor which blessed the body with sentiency. It has left. The Chidabhasa left. So from that, the Chit is Abhas, Chidabhasa. You can infer it has left. That we can infer that Atma is. The presence of Atma is, the body is enlivened. When Atma is not there, the body becomes dead. Shava iti. So, atra dehe, atra is equal to dehe. In this body, Puraswami Vidravane, Puraswaminaha Vidravane, Sati Saptami. Puraswami Vidravane Sati. That Pura is the Shariram. The Sharira Swami, Vidravane means departs. When the Puraswami, when the Atma leaves the body, Vidravane, Puraswami Vidravane, Puraswami, the Shariram, first Shariram is a Puram, or we can take the Puram. The Puram is the city. When the Puraswami Vidravane, when the king of the city departs, Puravasinam Vidravanam Bhavati. When the king departs, the citizens also depart. When the king of a city he leaves, along with them, the citizens of the city, Puravasinam api Vidravanam Bhavati. Puravasinam, Puraswami Vidravane iva Puravasinam. When the Puraswami leaves the city, the citizens also leave the city. The same way, similarly, Iva, Atmanaha apagame sati. Atmanaha apagame, on the departure of the Atma. Atma is Chidabhasa. On the departure of the Atmanaha apagame sati. Sati Saptami. Before one also, that is Sati Saptami. Puraswami Vidravane Sati Puravasinam Vidravanam Bhavati. Tadvat. Similarly, that is what Eva is. Similarly, Yasya is Atmanaha Apagame Sati. Then Kim Bhavati? Kshanamatra. Kshanamatra means in a kshanam. In a moment, immediately. Immediately what happens? This Karya Karana Kala Rupam Sarvam Idam. All this means what? This Karya Karana Kalapa Rupam, this aggregate of Karya Karana. Karya is the body, Karana is the sense organs. So this everything which is in the form of this body, mind, sense organs, what happens to them? Hatabalam bhavati, vidvastam bhavati. Hatabalam is, balam is the power, the strength. Hata is that which is handatu, which is killed. Here it is not killed. Hatam balam yasya. Hatam balam yasya kasya karya karana kalapa rupasya. That's saha. Hata balam. That is the karya karana rupa kalapa. They become powerless. They become non-functional. That is called hatabalam. Vidvastam bhavati. They become vidvastam. They become non-functional. It cannot function. So it loses its power. When Atma is, it has power. It enjoys the power. When Atma is not there, when it's left the body, then it becomes hatabalam bhavati, vinashtam bhavati, vidvastam bhavati. Vinashtam bhavati, it becomes destroyed. Vashikara says, vidvastam bhavati, vinashtam bhavati. Vinashtam bhavati, it is destroyed. This karya karna kalapa, sarvamidam, vinashtam bhavati, it gets destroyed. On the departure of what? On the departure of Atma. Atmanaha apagame. Yasya Atmanaha apagame sarvam idam vinashtam bhavati. Therefore, what is the inference? Therefore, anyaha siddhaha. Anyaha, this sharira manasangatat, anyaha, this karya karana kalapat, anyaha siddhaha iti, anyaha asti iti siddhaha. There must be something which is different from this body mind sense complex. Iti siddhaha. It is siddhaha, which can be, it is siddhaha, it is, this conclusion can be made. There must be some factor. Therefore, there must be some factor which makes this body mind complex sentient. And therefore, it must be different from this body mind sense complex. So therefore, it is anyaha iti siddhaha. So, this is established that Atma is not one of the parts of this assembly. It must be different from this assemblage. This assemblage is for the Atma. Iti siddhaha. This is the meaning. So, when the Atma departs, all the vyaparas stop. Atma is Chidabhasa. The Chit Pratibimba Rupa Atma departs. This, all the functions stop. This is a Vitireka. So therefore, Atmanaha apagame, on the departure of this Atma, all the transactions, sarve vyaparaha, which was happening, what will happen? It becomes vidvastam, sarvam hatabalam, vinashtam bhavati. Therefore, Atma must be different from this body mind sense complex. This is siddhaha, it is established. This is the yukti. This is the yukti. Then the next mantra Bhashyakara gives a sangati. The sangati is in the form of an objection. Sangati, it is presented in the form of an objection. We will read that. Syat matam
स्यात् मतम्
यात्मकं
प्राणापानादि अपगमात्
प्राणापानादि
प्राणापानादि
अपगमात्
अपगमात्
एवम् इदं विध्वस्तं भवति
एवम्
एवम्
इदं
इदं
विध्वस्तं
विध्वस्तं
भवति
भवति
विध्वस्तं भवति
न तु तद्व्यतिरिक्त आत्म अपगमात्
न तु
न तु
तद्व्यतिरिक्त
तद्व्यतिरिक्त
आत्मगमात्
आत्म
आत्म
अपगमात्
अपगमात्
प्राणादिभिः एव
प्राणादिभिः
एव
एव
प्राणादिभिः एव हि
प्राणादिभिः
एव
एव
हि
हि
मर्त्यः जीवति इति
मर्त्यः
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 जीवति
जीवति
इति
इति
न एतत् अस्ति
न
न
एतत्
एतत्
अस्ति
अस्ति
So here this akshepa is presented in the form of the sangati. Sangati meaning connection. So the connection is presented, connection to the next mantra, the successive mantra is presented in the form of an objection, akshepa. The previous mantra we saw the presence of Atma. In the presence of Atma there is life. When Chidabhasa, the Atma departs, no life. There is complete vidvastam of this Sharira Mana. Sharira, not for Mana. Mana is not, Mana is the part of the Sukma Sharim, it is going to travel. So, therefore, what is the Karanam for the activities of the Sharira? Atma. In the presence of Atma, there are Vyapara. Being blessed by Atma, there are Vyapara. So, by Anvaya, Vitireka, it is established. Now, the Purva Pakshi may say, no, this logic, this yukti, it is not correct. Why it is not correct? What is his reason? He says, the body is alive. The body is sentient. When it is sentient, when pranas are there. When pranas are there, when pranas are functional, the body is alive. When pranas are there, the body is functional. So, on the departure of the prana alone, prana apanadi alone, the body becomes non-functional. And how can you say, on the departure of Atma, it is completely out of question because it is not available for any perception? You are saying that you are accounting Atma, which is not available for anybody's perception. You say that departure of Atma made the body functional, body non-functional. This body is non-functional because the prana, apanadi, apagama. Prana, apana, they have left the body. That is why the body is non-functional. It has become dead. Not because the Atma. How do you conclude that Atma has left the body, therefore the body is dead, therefore it is non-functional? How can you say? That is the Purva Pakshi's argument. That is Syat Matam. Matam is the view. Matam means Mandatu. Matam, Man plus Ta Pratyaya, Matam. Matam is view. Syat Matam. There can be a view. There can be a opinion, a view. What is that view? Prana Panadi, Prana Apanadi. Prana Panadi means Prana Apanadi. Pranascha Apanascha, Prana Panadi. That is Prana Apana Vyana Udana, all Samuha. So Prana Panadi Apagamat. Apagamat is departure, left. On the departure of the Prana Apana, etc., Pranapanadi apagamat eva idam referring to the shariram. This shariram vidvastam bhavati. This shariram becomes non-functional. The shariram becomes non-functional on account of the departure of the prana, pana, etc. Iti syatmatam. That can be a view like this. Natu, not because tad vyatirikta atma apagamat. Not because of that which is different from prana apana. Not because of that referring to the atma. Not because of the departure of the atma which is different from prana apana, etc. So, not because of the atma, it is because of prana, etc. Prana not there, therefore body becomes vidvasta. Not because of atma, not there. Iti. Pranadibhiki eva martyaha jivati. Martyaha is manushyaha. How does a human being live? What sustains a human being? This prana alone sustains. So pranadibhiki eva hi martyaha jivati. A human being lives because of the prana. Only by prana a human being lives. Iti matam. Iti matam. This is a matam. Father Bhashyakara says, na etat asti. Na naitat asti. Na etat asti. No. Na. Not like that. That kind of the situation is not here. So you say pranadi, pranapanadi, apagamat eva shariram vidvastam bhavati. Nato sharira, nato tadvyatirikta atma apagamat. That is not here. That is not correct. That is not the situation here. Why? The next mantra says. You can read the mantra. Na pranena, na panena.
Na
Na
pranena na
pranena na
apanena.
apanena.
Martyo jivati kaschana.
Martyo jivati kaschana.
Itarena tu jivanti.
Itarena tu
Itarena tu
jivanti.
jivanti.
Yasmin etau upasatau.
Yasmin
Etau
etau
upashitau.
upashritau.
Yasmin etau upasatau. Yasmin etau upasatau. Yasmin plus etau. Sandhi. Yasmin plus etau. What sandhi? You know. Yamuttagama will come. So yasmin etau. Etau plus upasatau. Ayadi sandhi. So yasmin etau upasatau. Okay. So martyaha kaschana martyaha na pranena na apanena kaschana martyaha jivati. Martyaha manushyaha na jivati. It doesn't live by prana, na pranena, not also by apana. A human being doesn't live only by prana, apana. Why? Here the Shruti doesn't give logic, but we can say. Why? Because prana is, what is prana? Prana is a bhautika. They are bhautika. They are made from panchabhuta. Therefore, bhautikatvat jadaha. When they are jadam, how can they be the cause for the sentiency in the body? Or how can they have the status of chaitanyatvam? Not possible. Sentiency cannot come because of the combination of the bhautika. That is not possible. That is what science tries to establish. It can never establish. Consciousness just happen when the materials are put together. When the materials are put together, then in a particular situation, that when the materials combine in a particular way, then the consciousness is born. No, it is not. Consciousness doesn't born. It is. Consciousness doesn't have birth, doesn't have death. And nothing can gain the status of consciousness. That which is consciousness continues to be consciousness. That which is not, that is not. That which is not cannot gain the status of consciousness. So, this prana, etc., all these are jada. Therefore, they cannot be the cause of sentiency in the body. Only the consciousness, whose swarupam is consciousness, chaitanyam, they alone is the cause. And therefore, prana being inert. Therefore, they must have this consciousness, not because of itself, because of something else. They are not the source of consciousness, they are the borrower of consciousness. They are the borrower of. Therefore, martyaha na jivati na pranena. Martyaha, kaschana martyaha jivati na pranena na apanena. Therefore, no human beings live because of prana or because of apana, because they are jada. How can a human being live or sustain himself by prana, apana? Not possible. Therefore, itarena to jivanti. Itara means other than that. Itarena to jivanti, esmin etau upashitau. All are living because of someone which is itarena, which is different from this, in which esmin etau referring to this prana apana. It is only upalakshana. Prana apana is only upalakshana. Prana apana, all the other pranas, indriyas, everything you can take. So, but here generally we say the prana is that which sustains the body. Therefore, the Upanishad takes only prana apana. So they are not responsible for the life in the body. So because they are also jada. So this prana apana, which themselves as ashraya, upashita means dependency. They themselves have dependency or dependent on atma, which is different from themselves. Then only the ashrayatvam is possible. You say upashita means dependent, means it must be different. So itarena. So this prana apana, they are dependent on that which is different. So prana apana, they are not the life givers. The life giver is something else other than prana apana. So all the human beings are living because of something else upon which this prana apana have dependency. So what is that? That is atma. That is atma. That is how we can establish atma. Therefore, to say that prana pana diapagamat shariram vidvastam bhavati ataha prana panati, that alone is the cause for the life is not correct. So that mata is also dismissed by this Upanishad mantra. Bhashya to this, we will see that in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್.